Guys, how you doing? So today we're going to do a little transfer video for today. I'm not doing the arboreal set, I'm just showing you the basic arboreal tea enclosure. So all you need is a piece of wood or cork bark and a water dish and ample substrate. In those 1 gallon jars that I got from Walmart. Sweet. Alright, now today, no, it's not a Red King. We're going to be transferring one of my terrestrial teas because I think she's due for another new enclosure. This is an oversized deli container with a little piece of bark formed into a cave and a bottle cap from an orange juice bottle. So today we're going to transfer Isabella, which is my Phormictopus cancerides, Haitian brown bird eater, 2 inches. So she's going to get a bigger tea enclosure. And my LP is also getting bigger, Dan, so we're going to... Whoa. I did not want that. See how nasty these Phormictopus species are? These are really, really nasty tempered ones, and I don't want to do that. Oh, you're just like my Difficillus. Yeah, she is not very happy with me at the moment. And I'm doing this for her. Boy. So I know this is not going to go smoothly. Have mercy on my soul. You're not in a very good mood, aren't you? Okay. We get that. Okay. She does not want to go in her new enclosure. I think she likes this one more than the other one. Ah, shoot. Okay, so I'll have to get something different. Okay, so I'm going to have to try to get into this little big cup and scoop it in here. Like so. And now, time to transfer her. For real. Come on, don't be stubborn. Here we go, finally. Man, that was quite an adventure. So hope you enjoy this transfer video, and stay tuned for those 3 arboreals. That's not going to be fun. Alright guys, take care.